lots of things happening here. One is you're like, can I divide this? Of course. When can you divide this? Anytime. Now's a good time. If you're referencing a research paper, it would say fall. It's great. But it could also be really hot and dry in the fall. And it could be cool and rainy in the summer. So I just like factor in the weather and just do what I need to do. Also, this is like a little overgrown and leggy. So I did a little chopping back, and then I tucked it under here, and I loved watching your face because you freaked out and were so excited. That's chop and drop. I'm just doing this. You guys are amazing. I'm just doing this and then just chuck it under there. First of all, then you don't need to run around getting a leaf bag or whatever. This all decomposes. This is good for your soil. You can't see this, except that piece poking out. You do this in midsummer after it does its first bloom. Chuck it under around the base of the plant. Then it comes up again and then blooms again. And you're not running around with the stuff, and your soil is good. And I love your face because you're like incredulous. I love
After
it.
first
Look,
bloom.
and doesn't that look nicer?